Let's get to the point. May bago and unique na avocado cream sandwich na si Avocadoria. By the way, si Avocadoria yung sumikat na kiosk for their focus on avocado ice cream and avocado soft serve na love ko rin talaga. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for my order. I tried it sa Avocadoria kiosk sa M-Place Mall in Quezon City. Na by the way, mabait and magaling ang staff when I visited. Thankfully, may few tables and chairs din sa gitna ng mall, so I was able to try it comfortably. The avocado sandwich, or avocado inipit as they call it, is 80 pesos. It reminded me of the small sandwiches sa Japan. Para may idea kayo sa size, para siyang dalawang wireless earphones na case na pinagtabi. In terms of height, a little below lang siya ng wireless earphones na case. It's meant to be a cold sandwich dessert, which I agree with. Para siyang more of a sponge cake ang taste and feel nito. And combined with the avocado cream in between, delicious siya. Okay sa akin ang product na ito and the other products ni Avocadoria. Pero ang suggestion ko for them, not just for this branch but for other branches as well, is bawasan nila ang visual clutter ng mga kiosk nila. Meron na nga silang menu, tapos ang dami pa nilang iba-ibang posters ng mga promos. I hope they can study Yao Yao's redesign to find a unique aesthetic na clutter-free rin. Para mas mapastop ang mga dumadaan kasi deserve ni Avocadoria ng more customers kasi okay ang most important part ng business nila, their products, na delicious naman.
Click follow for the next story.